guys, so my getting up 2 hours early was a complete fail. But I did get my workout done now, and it's almost 11 o'clock. I ended up getting up at 9 with the girls today. I actually really could not get up today because I was just like up all night thinking. I always do that on Sunday nights. Like I have a hard time winding down, especially on Sundays. Because I'm like, oh, tomorrow the day starts and I have this and this and this I have to do. And I kind of panic, you know, the night before. And, but usually most of the rest of the week I don't have that worries. But today I actually have a lot to do. We have a friend coming today. So that's kind of making it hard figuring out how I'm going to get everything done. But at least I have part of my workout out of the way. I spent 20 minutes working out on Jillian Michaels' Kickbox Cardio. I'll put that link down below because I really like workouts that she makes because I feel like they're not super confusing and they are intense, like so that you get a good workout in a short period of time. But they're not confusing, and I like her like no BS attitude. Leah Bug. Hi. No, let her play with it. Leah. Hi. Leah. Little baby Leah. Olivia's been acting super cheeky all morning. Even when her friend was here, usually she's quite good when her friend's here. She fakes being a good child when people are around, but today she didn't fake it. So, Olivia, are we ready to go?
No.
Hi. You want to go in time out? She was spitting on everybody today. Were you spitting? Cooking up some lunch in our new pan. Excited to see how it goes with the low fat cooking with this pan so it doesn't stick so much. It's quite an expensive pan, but you know, probably going to use it for years and years and years, so it's worth the investment. Yeah, we just got back from the store. It's really rainy out. Like it just was like pouring down before we left, but we managed to get out in the right window. Olivia, open it. Come here, baby Leah. Come here, baby Leah. Come here. Olivia's watching her favorite new show, Olivia the Pig. Olivia. 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 Hello there, sunshine. Finally deciding to pop out. So, haven't vlogged hardly anything. I'm just getting the kitchen clean now, but the vlog from yesterday is editing. Or rendering, I mean. Just edited it. Now it's time to clean up the kitchen. Yay! It's really not bad today. I think tonight we're gonna make a really easy dinner. I think we're gonna make like a whole bunch of fruit smoothies. We have quite a lot of bananas right now, so. That is a really pretty sunset. Wow. Throw the ball? Whoop, that wasn't a very good throw. Oh, it's okay, it's a soft ball. Oh, Leah, it's just a soft ball. I'm ready. Okay, who am I gonna throw it to? No, stay in your place. Who am I gonna throw it to? Ready?
Mama. Mama. Go. Go. Go.
Oh. Got it. Leia, you ready? Yeah, you ready? This is Leia's turn. Leia's turn. Let Leia throw it. Oh. Sorry, Leia. You're too slow. Leia, okay, stay there. Olivia, stay there. Leia's gonna throw it to you. Stay. She can't control herself. She's just too excited. Who's that? Who's there?
Papa.
Papa. Shh. The pig. Olivia, it's the pig. It's the pig. Oh no.
Papa, take it.
Are you scared? Hello. Oh man. Did I leave the keys outside too?
What, at the door?
No, I put those away.
Where?
In my jacket pocket. I left my purse in the hallway connected to the stroller. What are you doing? Why are you putting the baby up there? It's like you're hanging her because of that light. Hey! Little chubby wubby!
Yeah, and the naked baby.
She's a naked baby. Oh. Alright, let's watch Leia's face. I think it scares her. Look at these boobs. Yeah, okay.
Hey, canine tuck.
Mama na morning. Mama na morning. Mama na morning.
Ja.
Mama morning.
Die Mama kommt ja morgen.
Mama na morgen. De pinne.
Een pinne.
De hassie, de bouw.
Wat de poppen. Nee. Wat gibt da noch? Een kus.
Hey guys, I hope you're all having a lovely week so far. I just wanted to say that hubby says thank you guys so much for all of your feedback on the channel banner that he made, as well as all the feedback from his little vlogging moments. So I think he's starting to get more in the YouTube groove now. Like yesterday, he decided to put Olivia to bed on camera, which I was really surprised about. So I think that we're going to start seeing more of him in the vlogs. I'm going to take the girls to get their passport pictures taken today, so that'll be really cute for you guys to see tomorrow. Let me know if you guys like that the vlogs are going up at a certain time as well, because I scheduled it yesterday. So I hope that you guys like the time. Just let me know what you think. So all right, I'm going to go and I will talk to you guys very soon.